Organizing is my life, and nothing brings me as much joy as having something go from chaos to organized. I also really kind of have an obsession with organizing things. So I'm bringing you some more organizing things. I actually have another set of these, and I love them so much that I've been saying to myself many times, I've got to get some more sets of these. I've got to get some more sets. So I finally did. This came neatly packaged, and we're about to put it together. So let's have a look at it. Comes very compactly packaged. Inside of there, we've got, oh no, a bunch of screws. I say oh no because I hate assembling stuff like this. A package of some little gray things, the shelves, and then the poles seem to be connected with a zip tie. Oh, I also hate this. I can never get the zip ties off. Is there some trick to getting them off? I always try to use Penelope, but I just don't think Penelope can do it. I'm gonna have to get scissors. Oh my goodness gracious. Manufacturers, please stop zip tying your products. This is already connected for the sliding aspect of it. Top and bottom. Meanie head. More poles. It's pretty good quality so far. I'm impressed. So far so good. The little part that keeps it from sliding around in the cabinets. Let's get the instructions. This can slide right off. So the first step is to ensure that it doesn't slide all the way off. The instructions really are not helpful whatsoever, and I have no idea if I'm doing this right, but it says to install the pin so that the thing can't slide all the way out, and I'm guessing it's supposed to be midway. Yep, that stops it. Okay. And there's a little tiny itty bitty switch there. How adorable. I like that. Okay. Now it is solid. The next step is to put these on there. These are the little containers that will hold the poles. And it's very important that you put them on the correct side because this is what they're going to go in. It definitely feels like you got to smash them in there, and I'm afraid I'm going to break it. I'm sure that I'm not, but it definitely doesn't feel right that you should have to shove them in there like this. I feel like it shouldn't be this hard. I feel like that was a lot harder than it should have been. Seriously. That part is the only easy part I've experienced so far. These little hooks go on there like this, and you put these wherever you want. These are plugs. They're literally calling them plugs, and they're supposed to go in these notches here. I don't know why that would be the method to go with, but okay. I'm not gonna bother. I'm not putting all those in there. I don't care. They've included extra screws in case you want to screw that into your cabinets. I don't plan to do that either. I hated the assembly, but let's see how they look once we get them in here. Get these little mats in here because stuff gets spilled and it's so much easier to take these mats out. It's the sink, you know. We've had accidents. So that's so much easier to clean up than the wood. I recommend it. One thing that a lot of people don't know about organizing is that it can take a little while to get it the way you want it. You may have to take things out, put things in, rearrange until you get it the right way. None of my brushes will hang on that. I have found that the hooks on anything I never use because whatever's hanging down is in the way. You could definitely put them on the side, but again, I find the hooks just get in my way. I don't know what you would even hang there. If you're using this in a bathroom, there probably are a lot of more things. But if you're using it underneath the sink for cleaning supplies and whatnot, I don't find them helpful. Pretty good. I would say overall, I really like them. It's not that they're flimsy, it's that I'm not very good at assembling things. I think once my husband comes home and pushes these down, they'll be a lot better. Yeah, I think they're gonna last just fine. I don't think that's the problem. I think what I didn't like about them is that the assembly took so long. I'm not great at assembling things, and I prefer my assemblies to be way easier than this for something that should be uncomplicated. They made it very complicated. But overall, it's doing exactly what I wanted to do. I like that it's half here and and that it doesn't take up very much space. And because it's a smaller top portion, it fits really good underneath the pipes. So I like it, and I guess what I'll really know is in a few weeks, if I'm having to rearrange a lot of stuff, I'll know more how much I like it. If you're looking for something like this, I think this is a decent one. It's a good quality. If you're better at putting things together than I am, I think you'll probably have much more success. I'll have this linked for you below so you can go and get one. Tell me what room you're organizing right now and what you're going to use this for, and I'll see you real soon.